Hi, my name is Shane Geary, and this is my JavaScript project for the Flatiron School for Software Engineering. Uh, so it being JavaScript, the front end is all done with JavaScript, working with the HTML. Um, and this is using a Ruby on Rails API that I created for the back end. Now, uh, this app, the domain for this app is another another build off of my prior domains from the prior project builds, where it's doing live events, creating tickets, having a portfolio of your live events to keep for your records. The big difference with this one is I've leaned more towards it being for live events in general and not so much just specifically concerts. You can see right away it's styled with some CSS, custom CSS I'd implemented. I had originally tried to implement a Bootstrap framework that ended up being too much of a headache, ended up just kind of doing my own, pretty similar CSS to my Ruby on Rails project. So in here, right away at the very top left, you're given a form where you can input the different information, the three different columns for the name of the ticket, probably the event was called, the date it took place, and the main act of that event. So we'll go ahead and create one here. Do a YouTube tour. We'll say August 20th, and the main act obviously being U2. And down here, you're also able to choose an associated category for what it may be, whether it be a concert, a sport event, or theater. And so the U2 tour, being a rock band, will be a concert. We'll go ahead and click to create that new ticket. Now you can see how the browser didn't re-render there, it didn't redirect, it just brought it in. And that's a lot of the awesome JavaScript going on there, some asynchronous programming, um, very smooth, very streamlined. You can see we have all our information here. Our big title of YouTube tour, our date, August 20th, our main act being U2, and our category being concert. And so this is displaying the asynchronous programming with JavaScript fetch requests, and that's the JavaScript project, Rails API backend, JavaScript frontend. Thank you for watching.